Welcome to Lion Bytes Google Classroom. Quick practical help guides for Mountain View families. Each video focuses on one skill to help you monitor assignments, feedback, and overall progress in Google Classroom. This video will focus on how to set up notification settings in Google Classroom. Click the hamburger button in the top left corner of the screen. Click Settings in the left panel. On this screen, you can toggle which notifications you'd like to get. Let's explore these a little bit more deeply. Email settings. Allow email notifications. Turns all classroom email notifications on or off. If this is off, you will not receive any classroom emails. Comments. Comments on your posts. Notifies you when someone comments on something you posted, like an assignment or question. Comments that mention you. Alerts you when someone uses @your name in a comment. Private comments on work. Notifies you when a teacher leaves a private comment on an assignment submission. Classes you're enrolled in. Work and other posts from teachers. Emails you when teachers post new assignments, announcements, or materials. Returned work and grades from your teachers. Notifies you when an assignment is returned and or graded. Invitations to join classes as a student. Alerts you if you are invited to join a new class. Due date reminders for your work. Sends reminders about upcoming assignment deadlines. These settings allow you to toggle which classes you would like to see notifications for. Guardian email summaries. Teachers can invite guardians to receive email summaries. These summaries show missing work, upcoming work, and recent activity. Important. Guardian summaries are helpful, but they are not full access to Google Classroom. Families should still log in weekly with their student to review assignments together. If you are not receiving these summaries, please check your spam folder or contact the teacher of the course to ensure that they have Guardian summaries enabled. So what should you look for with Google Classroom? Check that the correct school account is logged in, notifications are turned on, Guardian summary emails are arriving, all current classes visible. Ask, are you logged into your school account? Are your notifications turned on? Did we receive an email summary this week? What to do? Adjust settings if needed, and make weekly review part of your routine. Thank you for watching Lion Bytes, setting notifications in Google Classroom.